Hey guys, my name is Manny and welcome to my channel, Maki TV. Kung bago pa po kayo sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit yung notification bell button para updated kayo sa mga upcoming videos ni upload ko. And then like nyo na rin po and then share nyo na rin. In this video po, ang topic po natin, ang i-discuss ko sa inyo, ang isi-share ko sa inyo is about the difference between a manual transmission car at ng automatic transmission car. And which is better? Manual transmission car ba or automatic transmission car? So before we proceed, before natin sagutin kung anong mas maganda, let's find out yung difference between manual transmission car at saka ng automatic transmission car. So let's find out. In automatic transmission car, the gear shift automatically according to the driving condition, and you as a driver are not responsible for shifting the gear. On the other hand, manual transmission car, you are responsible in shifting the gear ratio by shifting the lever manually. Second, automatic transmission car are more costly in price compared to the manual transmission car. Manual transmission car naman po ay less expensive in price compared dun sa automatic transmission car. Makikita niyo po yung sinasabi ko, yung price magkakaiba. Kahit check niyo sa website or pumunta kayo sa car dealership, iba yung price, mas mahal yung price ng automatic transmission car compared dun sa manual transmission car. Automatic transmission car are more expensive in repair maintenance with the transmission. On the other hand, manual transmission car naman po is less expensive and repair maintenance sa transmission itself. Automatic transmission car uses more fuel and less mileage. On the other hand naman po, manual transmission car uses less fuel and more mileage. So makikita yung difference kasi sabi ng karamihan, mas fuel efficient daw yung manual transmission compared dun sa automatic transmission car. Automatic transmission car in the city road traffic, it's much better to use than manual transmission. On the other hand, manual transmission car in the highway or long drive, it gives more fun to the driver to drive. Next, for the driver point of view, automatic transmission car is easier to use and convenient, especially to those sa mga beginners. On the other hand naman po, manual transmission is a little bit more difficult and complicated to use, especially dun sa mga beginners natin. Automatic transmission car has a better ability to control traction. So it's easier to use in climbing hills. So especially if you're a beginner, it's better to use this one compared to the manual transmission car. On the other hand, manual transmission car is difficult and more complicated to use in climbing hills. So ito ay applicable especially to those beginners. So at this point, mas lamang yung automatic car kasi wala ka ng clutch. Hindi mo na kailangan ng full concentration doon sa pagpapalit ng gear kasi ang automatic is automatically shifted ang gear niya according to dun sa driving condition mo. So, iwas atras na rin, especially kung paakyat ng bundok or saan man papunta paakyat na medyo traffic. So, iwas atras na din. Yung next naman po is medyo mas, ito yung disadvantage, isa pang disadvantage ng automatic transmission car dun sa manual transmission car. So, automatic transmission car has quite low in acceleration. So if kayo po ay existing driver from manual to automatic, mararamdaman nyo. On the other hand naman po, manual transmission has a better acceleration, which gives the driver more fun to drive. So yun ang pagkakaiba, especially kung medyo mahilig kayo sa mga arangkadang ramdam niyo yung kagat ng gear. So, advantage yan mga manual transmission car compared dun sa automatic transmission car. For driving comfort naman po, automatic transmission is better than manual transmission. So, on the other hand naman po, manual transmission car in a sport point of view, it gives more fun to the driver to drive kasi nga yun nga yung acceleration niya, siyempre pag shift mo ng gear, ramdam mo yung acceleration compared dun sa automatic car transmission. Yun din ang maganda sa manual transmission kung gusto mo yung ganong attack na ramdam mo yung acceleration or parang racing car ang gusto mo. So manual transmission I suggest. Yun nga. Pero pag driving comfort naman, siyempre gusto mo lang haya-hayang buhay, automatic transmission car I suggest. Last, ito yung pinaka-basic na difference ng dalawang transmission, and it is you will notice it physically. Automatic transmission car have only two paddles, the brake and the acceleration. On the other hand naman po, manual transmission car have three paddles, the clutch, the brakes, and the acceleration. So there you have it, guys. I hope this video nakapagbigay ng konting ideas or something new, especially dun sa mga future car owners natin, future drivers natin. Again, this video is to give you basic overview about the difference between manual transmission car at ng automatic transmission car. And also, to help you analyze and decide kung ano yung sa tingin nyo ay nababagay sa inyo, depending or according to your preference and according to your comfort. So before we end this video, I would like to give you some simple safety road tips, so to prevent from accident and to take care again dun sa sakyan natin, especially sa pads natin, and to maximize yung fuel efficient ng sakyan natin. Do not accelerate your engine too much, especially if you have only short distance or if not needed, to avoid accident and also to avoid yung early damage ng brake pad natin. Of course, para ma-maximize natin yung fuel efficient ng sasakyan natin. Again guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo and kahit pa paano nakakuha kayo ng mga konting idea, good information, especially to those future car owners. Sana tulungan kayo kahit pa paano makapag-decide or ma-analyze kung ano ba yung nararapat or fit sa inyo according to your preference or according to your comfort of driving. Before we end this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Kung di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, hit nyo na rin yung notification bell button. Hit nyo na rin po yung like and then feel free to share na rin. Again guys, thank you sa panonood. And this is Maki TV. Bye for now.